Sure, we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the xy plane, the line with the equation ax negative by equals to 5, where a and b are constants, is perpendicular to the line with the equation 11x negative 4y equals to 5. Which of the following equations represents a line that is perpendicular to the line with the equation 11x positive 12y equals to 5? Okay, here when I consider the given equations of lines, all of them are in standard form. That is ax positive by equals to c. That is, we have x term and y term on one side of the equation. The constant is on the other side of the equation. Okay, the question says this is the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line. And now we have to get the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this line. Okay, now let me consider these two equations. That is ax negative by equals to 5, 11x negative 4y equals to 5. So this line is perpendicular to this one. Okay, if I want to get the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this one, what should I do? So for that there is an idea. That is, we have to consider the number we have in front of y, that is 4. We should not consider the sign. We have to consider only the number we have in front of y. So this number 4 should be taken in front of x. And the number we have in front of x should be taken in front of y, then we get 11y. And also we have to change the sign over here. Already we have negative. When you change the sign, it will become positive. And also I have to change the constant on the right side. So instead of I have to write some other constant, say k1. Okay, so this is the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this one. Already we know that this is the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this one. So this is said by the question. Okay, here these two lines are perpendicular to the same line over here. Then what is the relationship between these two lines? Then these two lines must be parallel. So because both the lines are perpendicular to the same line, so then the line ax negative by equals to 5 and 4x positive 11y equals to k1 must be parallel. And both the lines are in standard form. So two lines are parallel and both of them are in standard form. Then the coefficient of x over here, coefficient of x over here must be equal. Then we get a equals to 4. And also the coefficient of y and coefficient of y must be equal. Then we get negative b equals to 11. Okay, now to solve for b, we have to get of this negative sign. For that, we have to multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1. When I multiply this negative b by negative 1, I am getting positive b. When I multiply this 11 by negative 1, I am getting negative 11. Okay, now let's consider this equation over here. Our aim is to get the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this one. Okay, now let me take this equation, that is 11x positive 12y equals to 5. Okay, since our aim is to get the equation of a line which is perpendicular to this one, so we can use the idea of what I have done over here to get the equation of line perpendicular to this one. So let's consider the number we have in front of y, that is 12. So this 12 should be taken as a number in front of x and we get 12x. And this 11 should be taken in front of y, then we get 11y. And also we have to change the sign in the middle, it will become negative. And also we have to change the constant on the right side. Instead of y, we can write the constant k2. Okay, now we can write this 12x over here as 3 times 4 times x. Okay, negative 11y. And even when we write this negative 11y, we can write as a positive of negative 11 times y equals to k2. Okay, already we know that a equals to 4. So for this 4, we can plug in a. Then we get 3 times a times x, that is 3ax positive. And we know that b equals to negative 11. That is for this negative 11, we can plug in b. Then we get by equals to k2. Okay, here I got the equation of the line which is perpendicular to the line 11x positive 12y equals to 5. When I go over the given answer choices, in answer choice D, on the left side of the equation, I find this stuff exactly 3ax positive by exactly over here. So this is the equation of the line which is perpendicular to this line. So the correct answer choice for this question is D.